In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly cancel a sent or scheduled marketing email in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your Hubspot, and once you do, you just need to head over to Marketing and then locate Email. Once we're in here, we can see that we have all our emails available. We have the drafts, scheduled, sent, archived, and you can also add more views right here for scheduled. So you can choose between the Sent or Scheduled tab, proceed to click onto that tab right here, and from in there, you can locate the email that you actually have right there for it. So we have in here our sent email, and if you want to cancel it, what you can do is click onto the Actions dropdown and see if you can still cancel it. Typically, this option is available for scheduled marketing emails, but if it's already on the Sent tab, that means it won't be canceled anymore. So do take note of that as well. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.